Hello friends, in this video we will see common mode gain of differential amplifier. Okay, so we draw here in differential amplifier. So say ratio for these two NMOS, this current mirror is same. So here I tail equals to I ref is there. This is NMOS, these are PMOS. So this is M1, M2, M3, M4. Okay, now for finding common mode gain we will connect output and input together. So this is VO, this is VI, this is VIP, this is VIM. Okay, now so our common mode equivalent circuit is like this. So if this is W by L, this is W by L, so this will be 2W by L, and for NMOS it will be 2W by L. So this is say P, this is N, and for this, so this has some resistance, say RO, here RO, this resistance here will be RO. So we make it RO here. So R tail equals to RO. So this is VICM, this is VOCM, this is VT. So if this is having GMP as a transconductance, so here width is double, so this will 2 GMP. If this is GMN, then this will be 2 GMN. Now so here in this case, if we see resistance, so this resistance will be 1 by 2 GMP, and this is VOCM, and here resistance, say R tail, which is equals to RO. Now this is source degeneration topology. So from here to here, this is CM equivalent, and we further reduce this to this topology from here to here, and for this gain ACM is this will be this is say RL equals to this, so this will be minus RL by R tail. So here we can say ACM equals to minus 1 by 2 GMP divided by R tail is say we write it as a R tail, so this will be minus 1 by 2 GMP R tail. So this is ACM, or this we can write ACM equals to minus 2 GMP RO. So this. Now suppose here instead of using this simple current mirror, we use cascode structure, cascode current mirror. Okay, so this is V cast, this is V bias, and so if we are using this instead of this is V tail, this one is V tail. So here our tail will be GM, say this is M tail, MT, so this will be G. Okay, so we are, this is MT1, this is MT2. okay, so we assume this is GMT for this device, and RO is same for both, so RO square. So this will be our, for cascode structure, R tail. So in that case ACM will be minus 1 by 2 GMP, and R tail is GM tail RO square. So you can write like RO T1, RO T2, and I am assuming RO T1 equals to RO T2 equals to RO, which we are writing here. So now ACM is this. Okay, now we find out common mode rejection ratio, CMRR. So CMRR is given by differential mode gain and common mode gain. So differential mode gain is GMN. This GMN is input pair transconductance, and this will be ROP parallel RON. So for this ROP is output resistance, for this RON is output resistance. So this is differential gain, divide by minus 1 by 2 GMP into R tail. Okay, so this will be GMN ROP parallel RON into 2 GMP R tail. Okay, so this is CMRR. Now suppose ROP equals to RON equals to RO, so this term will reduce to RO by 2, and say R tail, this is say simple current mirror we are using, R tail is RO. Okay, so CMRR will be equals to minus GMN into GMP, okay, 2 into RO by 2 into RO, 2 will cancel. So CMRR is given by GMN GMP RO square. Now you can see that here CMRR directly proportional to R tail. If we use cascode tail current source, cascode current source, then R tail is high, so CMRR will be higher for cascode current source. Okay, so tail current source should be current mirror, or current should be cascode. Okay, so here in this video we saw CMRR and common mode gain. So yeah, thank you.